Element of Art form, the learning activity. For this learning activity, you will click through the presentation and interact with the slides to answer the matching questions about form. On this slide, you're going to click the blue circle in the middle of the slide to activate it. Your goal is to circle the form below out of the two objects. So once you activate the blue circle, you're going to want to drag it over top to circle whichever object you think is the form. Remember, I can't give away the answers, so at the end of each slide, you're going to see me drag the blue circle into the middle again, but you are going to leave yours on top of your answer. On this slide, same thing. You're going to click to activate the circle and then hold and drag it over the object that you think is the form. Our next slide is the same practice. Click to activate the blue circle and then drag and drop it on top of whichever object you think is the form. Our last slide is going to be about sorting the shapes and forms below. Underneath the dotted line, you're going to see 6 shapes and forms. You have to click to activate the shape or the form and then drag it onto the correct and appropriate side of the graph. Remember, I can't give away the answers, so I am not keeping track of where I'm putting them. You want to double check that your shapes are going underneath the word shape and that your forms are going underneath the side that says forms. I'm going to end up putting mine back at the bottom, but remember, you're going to keep yours right on the graph. Don't forget to turn in your assignment.